Hello, I'm David Cox. I co-founded CloudTrade in 2009. We've been working hard now with the business for the last 11 years. It's been lots of fun and we're very much looking forward to 2021. It's been an interesting year. Obviously, starting your financial year in April 2020 meant that you had a few problems like everybody else as the world went into global lockdown. Our transaction volumes dropped by about 20% in those early 2 months. By the time we got to September, we'd recovered volume, and October and November proved to be record months. We're now confident that we'll have an amazing year in 2020, and actually we'll finish the financial year with over 35% growth. This is an amazing achievement from everybody who's worked really hard despite all the obstacles put in their way. CloudTrade's vision has always been to help businesses enable global trade, and as we've gone through the last COVID epidemic and all the problems of continuity of business, people working at home, we feel we've achieved this. We've achieved this not only for our customers, but we've achieved it for ourselves. CloudTrade's always been quite modest in its marketing. It's always been quite modest about itself. Our vision, I think, going forward is perhaps that we shout louder from the rooftops and that we take on a more international line. So internationalization is the vision for CloudTrade in 2021. Obviously at heart, CloudTrade is a tech company. This year we've put an enormous amount of effort into increasing our capability of our tech so we can deliver new and exciting services to our customers. Two of the very, very exciting projects we've been working on. First one is to transform our application into a true microservices application hosted in Azure containers. This will give us on-demand scalability, driving down costs and also increasing performance. The second very, very exciting project that we have underway is making further use of machine learning. CloudTrade's always been an AI company using its natural language processing, and although there is a lot of hype at the moment about machine learning, we all know that a true hybrid machine learning rules-based system is the only way, truly way, to solve the problems that we need to solve for our customers, and CloudTrade are leading the world in that research. We're really excited to having had lots of success through 2020 with our partners. We've been working with SAP Ariba, a lot of activity in the US, a lot of big customers of SAP Ariba who've now adopted CloudTrade as their PDF invoicing solution. We're also really excited with having found new partners. Two which come immediately to mind are Pajero, a large Swedish company who have an enormous presence in both the EU and a growing presence in the US. And also Enbridge, a new partner here in the UK who are preeminent in the Unit 4 implementation space. I'd like to make a great thanks to all the teams at CloudTrade. When I look at the work that the operations team have done, implementing new customers across the globe, even in some very challenging environments, or the dev team have managed to master all this new technology, including the Kubernetes container technology, which is really state of the art. We see the sales team who've managed to excite new customers into the CloudTrade network, and our marketing team who have raised CloudTrade's profile both in the US and in Europe. As we're coming up to Christmas and the end of 2020, I'd just like to say a really big thanks to all the staff at CloudTrade, to our customers and to our partners. It's through all their hard work, their commitment, that has meant that we've had a very successful year.